Computing date expressions are in the category time and have a result of date data types. The purpose of these expressions are to change a given date using arithmetic. The syntax for these types of expressions generally looks something like this. A date value, which is the date you want to change in some way, the operation you want to perform, either adding or subtracting a certain value, and the value you want to use to change your date. This is going to be either a number or a duration, and it's going to either add or subtract the number of days or the duration that you want to change the date. The result is a new date computed from the information above. Let's look at an example. Here we can see the most basic form of computing a date. This is also going to be the most common. Generally, you'll have an existing date. Here I've chosen January 1st, 2021, and I've added 1. This is going to return January 2nd of 2021. If I instead subtract 1, it will return the last day of 2020. You can also use plus and minus for durations instead of using a number. And you can choose to form the number dynamically if you wanted to as well. I hope that this was helpful. If you would like to learn more, we invite you to check out AppSheetTraining.com.